This is a short instructional video to show you how to remove or replace the foam filter of the JINX Luminous Jellyfish mood lamp. It's very simple to do. All you need to do is put your hand in the tank. There's a hex nut that holds the foam filter in place, and the hex nut just needs to be turned counterclockwise. You can use a pair of pliers if you can't get enough grip or it's tight. In my case, it's loose enough to come out by hand. And so once the hex nut comes out of the tank, the foam filter itself is one piece. So it's actually a piece of foam glued onto a plastic plate. In 2022 model of JINX Luminous Jellyfish, there is a piece at the base of the tank here with a screw pole on it. It's a piece of plastic that is glued into the tank. It is no longer removable. However, in previous models of the tank, if you have one of the older models, this was a removable piece where you could actually insert your screwdriver here and push it down, or a knife, and it would pop out. So it's very simple. You can wash this under a tap or purchase a new one if it's too dirty, and you just put it back into place where the screw pole is, and you grab your hex nut. Don't tighten it too much, just hand tighten it. 2 or 3 turns is sufficient to hold it down, and that's all that's required.